Properly installed vinyl windows should have sashes that open and close easily. If you have to struggle to open and close window sashes that used to glide easily, after a little cleaning and maintenance, they'll be working like new again. On the bottom of each side of most vinyl window sashes, you'll find a pivot bar. Pivot shoes fit onto the pivot bars. The shoes fit into tracks on either side of the window frame. When the sashes are moved, the shoes slide up and down the tracks. Use soapy water to clean the areas of the tracks where the pivot shoes slide up and down. If you have half screens, clean those tracks too. After the tracks are dry, apply silicone spray to the areas that were cleaned. If after cleaning and lubricating the tracks, the window is still difficult to open, check for spiral balances. Lift the bottom sash above the window frame. Push and hold both spring-loaded tilt latches located at the top of the sash. Then pull the sash inwards. If you see this in the tracks beside the sash, then your windows have spiral balances. The grease on these 23-year-old spiral balances has dried out, become sticky, and is making it hard to open and close the sashes. Soak a paper towel with WD-40. Remove the old grease from the spiral. Then use a clean paper towel to remove the WD-40 residue. Apply new grease to the spirals. Spread the grease around a bit. Close the sash. Wipe away any grease residue in the tracks. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.